Hi. Kyle, you know me. This is my little jump flow, or however you want to put it. And I set it up in such a way that I could adjust the jump force with one of these graph variables if I decided to do it. So if I press play, of course it will allow me to do the thing. We can jump around, move around and stuff. And that's all well and good, you know. And I've discovered that it works a lot better if you not only lock all the rotation, X, Y, and Z, and if you lock the position for Z, so that your guy doesn't go tumbling off the edge one side or the other. For some reason, the game just loves to rotate you as soon as you hit something that's off the wall here. Of course, the problem with the first jump script that you make in anything is that you can just jump continuously, whether or not you're touching the ground. And I tried to do a little sphere cast thing to make this thing detect that the ground was there and then not to let you jump if it didn't catch the sphere. But for some reason I can't get it to work. But I figured I'd put up what I have done now and we'll figure the rest of it out later. Anyways, thanks.